video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a HUD script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here, then click on this download script here. Now you will redirect to the Tuff store. You just need to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, go to shared, then settings.lua. So this is the command to open the settings of the HUD over here, and this is the keybind over here. If you want to disable the keybind, then you just need to change the true into false, and there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference, so I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the sets folder. So this is the logo of the HUD over here. If you check the properties of the logo, it is going to be 1500 by 1500 pixels. If you want to add your own logo on the HUD, then make sure to keep the dimensions which is given over here. So I'm changing the logo over here. Now let's delete the default logo from here. Now rename the image and give it a name of logo, just like this. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default HUD script from your resource folder, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the look of the HUD over here. As you can see on the top right, it is showing the server's logo, the player's ID, time, bank and cash, as well as the job which you are doing in the server. Now let me show you the animation when we change the job. So as you can see the animation when we change the job over here. On the bottom left you can see the player status. Now let's open the HUD settings with the keybind of I. So now let's move this menu over here. So this is the general settings of the HUD. Now let's open the editor mode. From here you can see the positions of each and every elements as you like. Even you can adjust the size of the elements, as you can see. So I'll be making it like this. If you want to reset the elements, you just have to click over here. From here you can customize the map visibility. So I'll be making it on only in car. By clicking over here you can enable the cinematic mode. Now let's check out the speedometer. So these are the speedometers over here, as you can see. From here you can select the unit of speedometer. Now let's check out the player info, and this is editor mode. If you want to disable anything, you can just do it from here. From here you can adjust the visibility of the icons. After making the changes, you just have to click on apply changes. Now let's check out the speedometer in vehicle. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.